In previous videos we've looked at this symbol here, which means is equal to. We've also explored the meaning of this symbol here, which means is not equal to. In this video we're going to explore these two symbols. The symbol on the left means is greater than, and the symbol on the right means is less than. We've seen before that the equal sign is a symbol that represents an equivalent relationship. This means that the value of whatever is on one side of the equal sign is the same value as whatever is on the other side of the equal sign. These three symbols are part of a group of symbols that show an inequality. The equals symbol showed when something was equal in value to something else. The inequality symbols show when something is not equal in value to something else. We'll explore the meaning of these further here. We've seen before that the is not equal to sign, which is one of the inequality symbols, means the value of whatever is on one side of the symbol is not the same value as whatever is on the other side of the symbol. So we say the values on each side of the symbol are not equivalent to one another. When two values are not equal, we can give more information about the relationship by using one of the other inequality symbols. For example, if the left side had a value that was greater than the right side, we could use this inequality symbol, which means is greater than. So the left side is greater than the right side. Or if the left side had a value that was less than the right side, we could use this inequality symbol, which means is less than. So the left side is less than the right side. We've seen in a previous video equations like this. 6 equals 6. This equation is true because we're just saying that 6 has the same value as 6, or 6 is equal to 6. We've also seen that we can show when something isn't equal using this inequality symbol. 5 is not equal to 6. If I want to give more information about that relationship, other than to just say they are not equal, for example to say that 5 is less than 6, I can use this inequality symbol as well. This statement now gives more information about the relationship between 5 and 6. I can read it like this: 5 is less than 6. Another way to describe the relationship would be to say that 6 is greater than 5. We'll look now at a series of examples that you've seen in a previous video using the equal symbol and the is not equal to symbol. But now we'll get some experience with our two new symbols, is greater than and is less than. If I'm comparing Jenny and Michael's sweets, in this situation, I can see that Jenny has 5 red sweets and 2 purple sweets. Michael has 7 orange sweets. 5 plus 2 gives a total of 7 sweets altogether, which means that Jenny and Michael have the same number of sweets. We can therefore say that 5 plus 2 equals 7. If Jenny had 3 red sweets and 2 purple sweets, giving her a total of 5 sweets altogether, and Michael still had 7 orange sweets, they do not have the same number of sweets. 3 plus 2 is not equal to 7. If I want to, I can give more information about this relationship, and instead of just saying that the number of sweets Jenny has is not equal to the number of sweets Michael has, I can say that the number of sweets that Jenny has is less than the number of sweets that Michael has. I can record this in the following statement with these symbols. 3 plus 2 is less than 7. Previously, we've compared these items. The items on the left have a value of 9. The items on the right have a value of 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 has a total value of 9. Therefore, we can say that 9 is equal to 4 plus 5. If the items on the right were changed so that we now just had 4 plus 4, this would mean that the value of the right side is equal to 8. So we can say that 9 is not equal to 4 plus 4. If I want to give more information about the relationship between the left side and the right side, I can use a different inequality symbol. I know that 9 is greater than 8, so I can record this in the following statement with these symbols. 9 is greater than 4 plus 4. So as well as reviewing the meaning of this symbol, is equal to, which is used in equations to show that whatever is on one side of the equal sign has the same value as whatever is on the other side of the equal sign, we've also looked at 3 inequality symbols. The is not equal to symbol shows when two values are not equal to one another. But we can also use the symbols is greater than or is less than if we want to give more information about the relationship between those values, instead of just saying they are not equal to one another.